just cycled in from South London all the way here to Hackney, and this is the Raeburn lab. We're actually, if you look up, at the old Burberry textile building, and this is our studio. I'm going to show you around. So welcome to the Raeburn lab. Come into the space, and actually we're so much more than a normal studio. So we're actually open to the public on Saturday, Sunday, Friday, and we operate a store here. And then if you have a little look behind, we even have an archive up here, and then behind the glass mirrors we've got all of the history of the brand going all the way back now to 2009, which is a little bit scary. So it's a little bit different, and everything we do as a company we call the 3 R's. So it's all about remade, reduced and recycled, so a complete focus on responsible design. So what we're working on right now is top secret, and it's for London Fashion Week, of course. So these are amazing air brake parachutes. And rather than being the one that you jump from an aeroplane, they pop out the back of fast jets to slow them down. So incredibly high quality, really, really well made. And we're taking those and completely transforming them into what you can see behind me. And I'm going to kind of just show a few little flashes. So beautiful dresses, of course, over-dyed, and there are tops and trousers. And we're really excited about the collection coming together. We have a unique opportunity really to turn into a much more positive force for change. At the moment we're the second biggest producer. My hope for the future is that we're going to start making a lot more things that are either enduring, infinitely repairable, so they're going to stay in circulation for a lot longer. They're circular, so we can continue to recycle them, or they basically are biodegradable, so they're back into the ground. And if we do those 3 things and we do them well, then we're really going to change the industry for the better.